Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the device off and removing any case or SIM tray. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Once done, disconnect other cables and put the phone on a flat, stable surface. You need isopropyl alcohol 90% or higher, a soft toothbrush, a clean microfiber, and optional compressed air. These remove salts and contaminants without introducing moisture. Make sure you're grounded to avoid static damage, and position a light so you can inspect the lightning port closely before touching anything. You now focus on careful cleaning. Shine a light into the lightning port and identify corrosion, lint, or salt deposits. Next, apply a single drop of 90% isopropyl alcohol to the affected area. Alcohol displaces water and dissolves salts. You should brush gently with a soft toothbrush or a soft nylon pick while tilting the device to let liquid run out. Once loosened, use short compressed air bursts to expel debris. Make sure to avoid metal tools and excessive force to protect pins and contacts. You finish by thoroughly drying the port. Let the phone sit upright for at least 1 to 2 hours so residual alcohol and moisture can evaporate. If necessary, use gentle warmth around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius with a low-setting hair dryer at distance. This speeds drying without harming components. After drying, reconnect a known good lightning cable and adapter and check charging and data functions. If the connector still fails, avoid repeated attempts. That indicates corrosion or board damage, and you should consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.